Welcome to this technical guide on the KitchenAid. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your KitchenAid mixer is making a strange noise, it could be a sign that the clutch is malfunctioning. This issue often arises from wear and tear or improper use over time. If left unchecked, it could lead to more severe damage, potentially rendering your mixer unusable. To carry out this repair, you will need a set of screwdrivers, a replacement clutch, pliers, and a soft cloth to protect your mixer's surface. First, ensure the mixer is unplugged for safety. Begin by removing the mixing bowl and any attachments. Next, locate the screws that secure the mixer head. Carefully unscrew them using the appropriate screwdriver, applying gentle pressure to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the mixer head to access the internal components. The clutch is typically located near the motor and may be covered by a small casing. Check for any visible signs of wear or damage. If the clutch is indeed the culprit, you will need to disconnect it. Take note of how the wires are connected, as you'll need to replicate this later. Disconnect the wires using your pliers, being cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Remove the old clutch by unscrewing it from its mount. When installing the new clutch, align it correctly and secure it in place with the screws. Reconnect the wires as per your earlier observations. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, carefully reattach the mixer head, ensuring that all screws are tightened securely. Plug the mixer back in and give it a test run to confirm that the strange noise has disappeared and everything is functioning properly. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly clean and maintain your mixer, avoiding overloading it with heavy mixtures. Additionally, always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for usage to prolong the life of your appliance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.